Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be making a wall decor, and it's almost going to be like a glam piece. Okay, so when I went to the Dollar Tree the other day, I saw these flat board canvases, and they were 8 by 8. I have never seen the 8 by 8. That was my first time, so I grabbed two. So we're going to make a wall decor piece with that. I went ahead, as you can see, and I painted that in the apple barrel burnt umber paint. So all of this is painted in the black umber. Now at the Walmart, you can get the jumbo craft sticks. So that's what these are. They're going to be the support, because we're going to glue these two pieces together with a space in the center. So that's what we're going to be doing there. So let me show you what else we will be using. Now, in the section where you have all your barrettes and all your hair accessories, they had this bow. It's a burlap bow. It has those gems in the center. This is an absolutely gorgeous bow. So we're going to be embellishing this wall decor with that bow. We may or may not use these gems. These are gem stickers. You can get them in the crafter section, and it's like a pale pink. Now, the same goes for the ribbon. This is almost like a purple. I'm not really sure. It's like a deep purple ribbon, and you can get this satin ribbon at the Dollar Tree. I am going to be using this sticker here. It says Paris is always a good idea, and the Eiffel Tower, and I just thought I'd use some of these up in making this glam plaque here. So everything I'm using to make this craft, guys, is down in the description box below. So let's jump into the video. So the first thing I want to do, normally I would paint back and forth, and I probably will go back and touch that up, but we're going to go ahead and make this plaque. It's not necessary because this part of the board will be facing the wall. So what you're going to do first is you're going to see how much space do you want in between the two plaques. Then we're going to use the glue sticks here, the craft sticks, to secure those two canvases in place, the canvas panels in place. So I'm not going to give it too much room. Maybe we'll do an inch, and I'm just eyeballing it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Fix All adhesive and the hot glue. I'm just going to put on these silicone fingers. I'm trying to get used to them, guys, but they are a little bit tight. But they work. They're just a little tight on my fingers. I don't know. So we're going to put a little bit of Fix All adhesive on the two areas that I want to glue, here and here. And we're going to do the same on this side. This way I don't have to worry about the hot glue coming apart on my wall hanging, falling. And like I said, you can get this Fix All at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're going to be using hot glue there and then hot glue here. The spacing, like I said to you guys, is totally up to you. I'm going to line it up as best as I can. It's going to take a moment. So while that is drying there, guys, I'm going to make a quick ribbon bow, pretty much for the bottom. I'm going to embellish using the bigger bow on the top, but I don't know, in case I decide to use a bow or add a bow to the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Okay, and normally I just do, it's like tying a shoelace. Let me get this silicone finger off, because like I said, I don't know, it's just tight on my finger. Okay, I'm just going to roll that ribbon around like as though I'm tying a shoe, and that's why I call this a shoe bow. And then we're going to pull and tighten until we get the bow exactly the way we want it. And this is what I made, see? And I'm okay with that. At least that size bow there, guys. Let me see. Yeah, I'm okay with that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this side here to match this side here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is we're going to turn around and dovetail this, guys. I love that dovetailing. You fold the ribbon over on itself. Then we're going to cut in the triangular motion down to that corner. And it's going to give you this. Okay, I'm sorry about my hands are all full of paint. And we're going to do the same on this side. Okay, it's not pretty. So now I always embellish with a gem in the center, and I am going to use this rose mesh. I had that in my stash in a jar. I had one left that was loose that wasn't used, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that on there. And then I'm going to move this aside. Guys, this is what we have. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to move this aside, and we're going to go ahead and turn that board over. Okay, guys, and this is what we have. Okay? Now, the hanger for this is going to be, I have a jute twine here. Well, you know what? This was a part of the nautical rope. It's a piece of the nautical rope. The nautical rope is wrapped in 3 tight strands. I unravel them, and this is thick enough for me to use. So I can use one rope in multiple DIYs. So we're going to use this one as a hanger. This is what I have left from another craft. What I'm going to do here is we're going to go ahead and find a placement for these stickers, and I'm going to start out with this Paris is always a good idea. So we're going to peel that off, and again, if you guys like to measure, please do that. I like to eyeball it. So I'm kind of liking this placement right here. I want it right in the middle. Once you're happy with the placement, lay the sticker down. Then I'm going to use the Eiffel Tower for the bottom one. Guys, this is where we are so far. And just so you know, I am going to go back and seal this so it doesn't move. We don't need these paper towels. I'm going to move them aside here. Okay. So now I am going to use these words right here. This, I don't know, O-U-I, ooey, or ooh, I don't know. So I'm just being funny, guys, but like maybe one here, or no, one down here, and then the second one up here. Placement, you know, I mean, the fun part about this is that you can place these things, anything, any sticker, any way that you want, guys, if it, whichever way makes you happy. Just because I think it needs a little bit of shine there. So let's see. I'm going to I don't know, I think I'm going to do some stickers along the side here. And it doesn't have to reach all the way to the top. Like there is fine. And one on the other side. So far guys, we have something that looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so because I want that this jute twine to dry well, I'm going to go ahead and glue that down just to get that out of the way. I'm going to put a little bit on that side and a little bit on this side. Then we're going to put some hot glue. Okay, so that's going to take a minute there. Let me go ahead and get this out of here. I think I have to cut this out. That's pretty neat. So it comes with this twist tie, and it also comes with the tape, the backing that you can peel off. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let me turn that over. I don't want to place that flat on the. Okay, so I think I'm going to place that bow up here, or should I place it here? Up here, right? It looks more girly. And we definitely want this to look girly. So I think I'm going to place that bow right up here, because you know how I am with placing stuff off to the side. So I'm going to place that right here, and we're going to put plenty of glue because we don't want that to come out. And so while we're gluing that one down, guys, I think I'm going to glue this one. This one's going to be more straight. So let me go ahead and do that. So these are just loose gems. Top of that eye. Okay, let's see how this is looking. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful wall hanging? For a little girl's room, I don't know. I'm never too old to have this hanging in my own room, so a powder room, a bathroom, I don't know. Guys, this is so pretty, your powder room. It's a very beautiful wall decor, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. If you like the video, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.